So Elon suddenly got enlightened. One of the Thomas Edison of our days.
I'm Thomas Edison. I rule.
One of the smartest guys in the whole world who sends rockets to space, who beats NASA.
Well, this whole idea that Tesla's going to stop accepting Bitcoin for environmental reasons, it's not like we just woke up, Casey, today, and Musk woke up and said, oh, you know what? Bitcoin's bad for the environment, so we need to change. He knew this all along.
Are all of you out there wondering how insane this is?
What the hell is going on today?
This is hypocrisy that I've ever... Let me get long Bitcoin at 32,000. Let me announce that I bought it and put it on my balance sheet.
Yep.
Let me announce that my company's going to accept the payment.
Oh, wait, don't forget that he profited on Bitcoin, too.
Let me sell some Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Then let me come out and say, I'm going to keep the Bitcoin I have, but oh, by the way,
One more thing.
I'm not going to take Bitcoin anymore, but I'm going to help Dogecoin.
Oh,
I mean, what? I don't even know what he's doing.